Accessing accurate and relevant information is crucial in today's fast-paced digital world. But many AI-powered search engines struggle with limited comprehension, outdated data, and generic responses that fail to deliver real value.
We need you. Hell, I need you.
Additionally, these tools often lack deep contextual understanding, making it difficult to find precise answers tailored to your needs.
It's true.
These challenges result in wasted time, frustration, and missed opportunities to leverage information effectively. Introducing Deepseek AI, the ultimate solution to these problems. Deepseek AI is a cutting-edge AI search engine that revolutionizes the way you access and interact with information.
Is it possible?
With advanced natural language understanding, multimodal capabilities, and real-time learning, Deepseek AI delivers highly accurate, context-aware answers in seconds. In this video, we'll show you how Deepseek AI enhances search efficiency, helping you find what you need faster and with greater accuracy, so you can focus on what truly matters.
Oh, God.
Introduction to Deepseek AI. Deepseek AI is at the forefront of artificial intelligence, pushing the boundaries of search technology, content generation, and digital assistance. In an era where information is more abundant than ever, the need for smarter, faster, and more intuitive AI has never been greater. Deepseek AI stands out by delivering highly efficient search results, understanding context better than traditional engines, and continuously adapting to user needs in real time. As AI continues to evolve, Deepseek AI is positioned to play a critical role in transforming how we interact with digital knowledge. Whether you are a researcher looking for precise data, a creative professional seeking AI-generated content, or a business owner aiming for smarter automation, Deepseek AI provides cutting-edge solutions to meet your needs. Innovations. Deepseek AI is revolutionizing the AI industry with groundbreaking innovations, making information access and digital interactions more seamless than ever before. Here are some key aspects that set it apart. 1. Advanced Search Intelligence. It uses natural language processing, NLP, and deep learning to comprehend user intent, making search results more accurate and relevant. Unlike traditional search engines that rely on simple keyword matching, Deepseek AI understands the nuances of language, ensuring more precise results. This makes it especially useful for complex queries, where context plays a crucial role in retrieving the best information. Second, multimodal abilities. Unlike conventional AI models that primarily focus on text, Deepseek AI is equipped to process text, images, videos, and even voice inputs. This allows users to find information using a variety of formats. Whether you need to analyze a research paper, extract insights from a video, or retrieve details from an image, Deepseek AI seamlessly adapts. Its ability to integrate different data types makes it an essential tool for researchers, content creators, and professionals across industries. 3. Real-time learning. The AI model continuously learns from user interactions and updates itself accordingly. This ensures that its responses remain relevant and up-to-date, adapting to changes in language, trends, and information. Unlike static AI models that become outdated over time, Deepseek AI evolves with every search, improving its accuracy and efficiency. This adaptive learning process ensures that users always receive the most current and reliable information. Fourth, intelligent summarization. Instead of presenting long-winded results, Deepseek AI generates concise and easy-to-understand summaries, making it ideal for professionals and casual users alike. By distilling complex information into key takeaways, it saves users valuable time and effort. Whether summarizing lengthy reports, news articles, or technical papers, Deepseek AI delivers insights in a digestible format without losing essential details. Fifth, context awareness. The model can maintain contextual understanding throughout a conversation or search query, reducing the need for users to repeat themselves or refine their questions excessively. It recognizes the flow of discussions and adapts its responses accordingly, making interactions more natural and intuitive. This feature enhances user experience, especially in long-form research, troubleshooting, and multi-step inquiries where maintaining context is crucial. These innovations make Deepseek AI a highly valuable tool for anyone looking for accurate, fast, and efficient AI-driven solutions. Current trends. The AI landscape is evolving rapidly, with new advancements shaping the way we interact with technology. Deepseek AI is actively contributing to several emerging trends in AI, including, first, AI-generated content. From blog posts and marketing copy to creative writing and technical documentation, AI-generated content is becoming increasingly sophisticated. Deepseek AI ensures that its outputs are coherent, engaging, and tailored to user needs. Second, AI assistants and chatbots. AI-powered virtual assistants are becoming more intuitive, capable of handling complex queries and providing human-like responses. Deepseek AI's chatbot technology is redefining customer support, productivity tools, and online interactions. Third, next-generation search engines. Traditional search engines rely heavily on keyword matching, but AI-driven models like Deepseek AI understand semantic meaning. This shift is making search experiences faster, more relevant, and significantly more user-friendly. 4. Ethics and AI safety. As AI capabilities grow, so do concerns about bias, misinformation, and ethical implications. Deepseek AI is developed with strict safety protocols and fairness measures to ensure responsible AI usage. 5. Personalized AI experiences. AI is becoming more tailored to individual users. Deepseek AI learns from user behavior and preferences to deliver customized responses, improving overall efficiency and satisfaction. By analyzing past interactions, it refines its recommendations over time, ensuring a more intuitive and user-centric experience. These trends indicate that AI will continue to play an essential role in everyday life, and Deepseek AI is poised to lead this transformation. Comparison and expectations. When compared to other AI-powered search engines and assistants, Deepseek AI stands out due to its superior intelligence, adaptability, and ability to generate meaningful responses. Deepseek AI's combination of real-time learning, contextual intelligence, and multimodal capabilities gives it a strong competitive edge. The expectations for the future include 1. Improved conversational AI, enhancing its ability to maintain complex, multi-turn dialogues with even greater accuracy. Deepseek AI can remember context across interactions, allowing for more fluid and natural conversations without losing track of previous topics. This makes it an ideal assistant for customer service, research, and problem-solving, providing intelligent and context-aware responses. Second, expanded AI creativity, refining AI-generated images, videos, and audio to meet artistic and professional demands. Deepseek AI leverages advanced generative models to produce high-quality creative content. Whether for marketing, entertainment, or design, it enables users to bring their ideas to life with AI-powered assistance. Third, seamless integration with digital platforms, making Deepseek AI an essential tool across various industries, including education, healthcare, finance, and entertainment. It can be embedded into existing workflows, enhancing productivity and decision-making by providing instant AI-driven insights. 4. Enhanced personalization, creating AI experiences that are hyper-personalized to cater to individual needs and preferences. Deepseek AI continuously refines its recommendations based on user interactions, ensuring a more intuitive and customized experience over time. As AI continues to progress, Deepseek AI is well-positioned to become a leader in digital intelligence, helping users achieve their goals faster and more efficiently. Conclusion: Deepseek AI is redefining the landscape of digital intelligence by delivering real-time, context-aware, and highly accurate insights that enhance search, creativity, and AI-powered assistance. As AI technology continues to advance, Deepseek AI remains at the forefront, driving innovation and transforming industries with smarter, more intuitive solutions. Its continuous evolution ensures that users stay ahead in an increasingly digital world. If you're excited about the future of AI with Deepseek, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more updates. Stay ahead with cutting-edge AI innovations and smarter digital experiences. Join us on this journey into the future. Deepseek AI is just getting started.